Hi guys. It's another episodes that we are gonna be here for this year. Yeah, I'm here with my partner.
Hi, my name is Jet. Hi, everyone.
Hi. So we are now here to discuss another topic that hopefully you everyone could be able to relate as well. So partner, let's roll the dice.
Yes, let's get it rolling. So, ang topic natin for today is about the five love languages.
Oh,
So, mag-share tayo ng mga love languages natin. Giving, receiving, ganong
kasi
bagay.
iba love languages na ano yung receiving natin, ano din yung giving natin, and sometimes our like partners or even hindi naman sa partners or other kung sa ano ba mga relationships yan. We have our own different languages and you need to speak to their language, not just yourself, so that it would be easier for you to make them feel loved.
Yes. And
Ayun.
you know the art of seduction?
No.
You can kind of relate it to art of seduction. S- Pagdating kasi sa art of seduction, kukunin mo kung ano yung interest nung taong sinuseduce mo. So,
Oh,
it's like getting
are
their love languages as well. Yung receiving their sa art of seduction kasi inaaral mo kung yung target mo yung prey mo. So, parang ganun 'to. So,
hindi ko lang nalaman yung book ba yan?
it's a book.
Hmm, that's a good one.
Yeah.
Nabasa mo na?
Mm. Audio
Nice. Ayun, may
mas natapos ko siya nung audiobook na siya.
mm. So, marami kang input na wala.
Maganda 'yan. Ganda
Sige,
'to.
sige, sige po.
Okay, go.
Okay.
Okay, simulan natin, partner. Can you share a
Yes,
little
sige.
bit of your if you will rank your receiving love languages, how will you rank it, those five? Ano-ano nga ba yung mga love languages natin? So, that's ano yun, act of service, words of affirmation, physical touch, gift
Giving.
giving. What's the other one?
Quality
Quality
time?
time, yes. So, five love languages. So, what's yours, partner?
Ah,
If you will rank them.
sa
Um,
receiving ko?
yes, receiving. Let's start with receiving and then let's see what's the difference from your giving.
Okay. For me, sa receiving ko talaga, it all starts from affirmations. Kasi I'm through words. I'm more into words. So you will going to hook me on how are you going to talk to me first. Especially if strangers tayo or hindi pa tayo ganun close.
Mhm.
So you will get my attention through how you speak to yan, through words. Hindi lang siya tonations, but even if it's texting, basta how you would like to approach me. Kasi more into affirmations ako eh. I'm really more into words.
Mhm.
Then, after ng affirmation, that goes to action.
That's
Actually,
acts of service.
yes, yes, yan,
Mhm.
yung acts of service. Kasi, nafe-feel ko yung care. Kasi 'di ba sa words, nata-touch ako sa words, "Oh," tapos i-combo mo pa ng acts of service,
Mhm.
then that melts my heart.
Mhm.
Gano'n
Yeah.
siya, gano'n yung
Mhm.
atake. Sobrang gentle na receiving ko, and that's where quality time as well
Comes in.
next.
Mhm.
Oo, hindi naman sila magwa-quality time talaga bigla sa'yo kapag hindi niya nagawa yung acts of service or yung anything.
Mhm.
Pero kasi kapag magbigay ka sa'kin ng quality time pero hindi naman ako naho-hook sa time na binibigay mo sa akin, I still could not be able to feel the care and love, if you get what I mean. Marami
Mhm.
kasing tao nagbibigay sa'yo ng time, pero yung binibigay na time iba naman yung mga intention, iba naman yung topics. Hindi naman ako yung medyo nai-interest dun, yung parang
Mm.
ganun.
Kasi may
Sometimes may mga Oo, nagbibigay ng time sa'yo, ng quality time, pero you felt like you're still alone on that kind of circle. So,
Like,
parang gano'n.
yeah,
So
because there's an instances where, for example, we're together, we're friends, we're together. Pero, how will you measure if it's quality? If, kunyari, magkasama tayo, we're together, but you're on your phone, I'm also in my phone. So, 'di ba, wala pa ring quality dun. Yun ba yung ibig mong sabihin dun?
kaya sobrang ano sa'kin yung words.
Mhm,
Kasi the way you tell something how you cared of my POV or sa'kin, which means if nakuha mo ako sa salita mo, may nasabi ka na, "Uy, something na different sa kanya
mhm,
compared sa others." Na nakakapag, "Uy, okey 'yan." And next naman, pinaka-last ko talaga sa receiving is physical touch.
mhm, okey.
Kasi ayoko masyadong hinahawakan ako. Yes. Ano, medyo no. Minsan nga
Mhm.
kahit parents, family ko, baka 'pag nasa bed ma-touch lang ako
So,
ganyan, ganyan
hindi
ako.
ka ma-hug, hindi ka ma-hug.
O hindi. Yung mga friends ko nun sa college din, or even sa mga partners ko, it takes time for them to even ask to hug me. Like
Mhm,
ako mag-hug sa grabe pa yung effort or energy na kailangan kong ibigay just to give that to them. Kasi minsan sila yung nagha-hug sa'kin, ako hindi talaga ako nagre-reciprocate. Or the more they are giving that to me, na paulit-ulit, nagiging comfortable na ako, but it takes time. Hindi siya
okey.
instant.
Mhm,
Oo, gano'n siya. So, yeah, that's why hindi ako gano'n ka super, basta yan yung
okey.
pinaka-least ko.
So, sa ranking sa'yo, first is words of affirmation, next is, acts of service, then quality time, gifts, and then physical touch. So,
Yes,
punta naman tayo sa giving mo. How you give love. Paano naman?
at
If you'll
ito siya
rank
Jaya,
it.
eto siya ha, very recently ko lang talaga na mas na-realize. 'Di ba pinaka-last ko yung physical touch, ayaw
Mm,
na ayaw kong hinahawakan ko.
mm,
Pero when you get deeper into me talaga, pinaka number one ko talaga, if I'm so number one physical touch ko talaga. As in, sobrang clingy, sobrang touchy ko like. As in, like, parang, example let's say for a bunch of 5 people, mga close ko, or iba-iba mga categories yan.
mhm,
May isa yan na dalawa, na grabeng touchy ako, like,
mhm,
sobrang ako, pero, mabibigla sila bakit ganun ako.
mm,
Hindi naman ako ganun sa iba.
mhm,
Sila lang yung nakakaalam. Kasi, which means, they already go deeper to me. Ganun. Kasi kaya ayaw kong hinahawakan. Yun yung top 1 ko.
mhm.
Yun yung grabe, grabe.
Alam mo
Gusto ko
ba,
gumanon.
in psychology,
Oo.
it says that when you're giving daw is if you love to give touches or hugs, gano'n, ikaw, ayaw mo naman na hinahawak-hawakan ka. So, sobrang relate ka dun, super. Kasi
Okay.
siguro I
Makes
think
sense.
yung logic behind that is because ako, yun yung way ko, ng pagpapakita ng love, eh. So, it's sacred
Mm.
for me. I will
Yes.
only allow people to hug me if I love them. Ganon. Kaya ikaw, ayaw mo nagpapahawak. Bakit? Gusto ba kita? Love ba kita? Sino ka sa buhay ko? Parang ganon. Yeah, totoo
It
pala
was
talaga.
kasi sacred siya sa'kin. Ayoko, like, even family ko, no.
Mm.
Sobrang clingy ng "No, wag." Ay, pero ako, grabe, sobrang clingy ko talaga, like, the max na annoying siya. Kasi nagawa ko na siya sa ano, gano'n. So, dun ko na-realize. Pangalawa is quality time.
Mhm.
I'm all ears.
Mhm.
I'm all ears talaga, whether it's bad or ano, basta I'm all ears, like presence is there all the time. Yan yung sa'kin. Kasi I am more into consistency, eh. So kapag yung ma-feel talaga, gusto ko kasi ma-feel ng ano ko, na yung ginagawa ko is just to make them feel I'm just there.
Mhm.
Not being loud. "Uy, nandito ako," no. But when the time that they need it, I'm there. Listening, not to really talk to them or like all the time, but just there. when the
Mhm.
time that is needed. Ganun. And then, next is, I give gifts. Yan. Kasi I give gifts not because for any certain scenarios, but sometimes kasi when I see something that I could remember someone, I'll buy it if I could. And I give it for no
Mhm.
reason. Ganun ako eh. And sometimes meron din ako na I don't care about the price.
Mhm.
May ganun ako sa brand, especially sobrang
Basta
ano sa akin yung tao.
basta alam mo na mapapasaya yung taong yun.
Yes, because their happiness is already a gift
Yeah,
para sa akin. And
that's true
oo,
because
alam mo
when you
yun.
make someone happy, especially if that someone is special to you, if you know na they became happy because of what you did, doble, it triples, it
Yes.
doubles the happiness that you receive, no?
And meron din akong nabasa na where money goes, that's where love.
That's true.
Yes, tayo sa taong mahal din, 'di ba?
Mm-hmm.
That's why I am
Yeah.
so very, but not to everyone, but to a particular persons na yung ano talaga, yung malapit sa atin,
Mm-hmm.
gano'n. So, it makes sense na, oh, where money goes, that's where love is,
Yeah, kasi
'di ba?
that's hard-earned money. Like, you worked for it.
Mm,
Hindi
that's
madaling
true.
mag-work, 'di ba? It's not easy to find jobs. It's not easy to earn money. So, the moment that you spend it to someone, it means that someone is really special sa'yo.
That's true, oo. And then pinaka-last ko siguro is ano, ano ba yung ano ko,
Words of
affirmations din.
affirmation. Kabaliktaran, no?
Parang
Kabaliktaran ng ano
kabaliktaran,
mo.
ngayon ko lang din siya na-realize, so sinabi ko din yung ano niya, sequence niya.
Mm, 'di ba?
Mm, grabe. Ikaw ba?
Ako, okay, sa receiving na lang muna. Mas nahu-hook ako, mabilis akong makuha kapag una sa lahat is quality time. I need
Oh,
to feel like you're really have the interest that you're really into me. Mas ramdam ko kapag yung presence nandyan. Quality time.
okay.
Kahit hindi kasama, even if not in person na magkasama, but for example, you check on me each time, or you do mm, like video calls. Basta, I should feel your presence. Oo. Tapos, second ko is, um, mm, words of affirmation. Yeah, words of affirmation. Second ko, words of affirmation. Minsan masaya na may naririnig ka na na-appreciate ka ng taong yun, 'di ba? Iba yung atake nun eh. It's different. It hits
Oo,
different. And third ko would be physical touch. Ano ko, gusto ko na yung kunyari magkasama, tas aalalayan. And I like my friends na clingy sila sa akin. Na maghahag sila. I like it. Ganon na. Ihag lang. Ha?
ako nga top 1 mo talaga physical, eh.
Ako?
Oh,
No.
ah,
Hindi.
okey.
Kunyari, like, you're just a stranger or kahit, kung for example, bago pa lang tayo, tapos hahawak-hawakan mo ko, sino ka? Don't touch me, ganon. Hindi.
Ayan,
Hindi.
oo, oo.
Hindi ko ma-appreciate kapag kunyari, first meet up, or let's say date, or kahit even sa client. Kapag kunyari
Mm.
makikipag-business meeting ka, tapos hahawakan ka, ganyan, hindi, ayoko. Ano, in business or ano, in romantic or kahit
Oo,
friendship, ayoko, hindi ko bet. Okay, so,
oo, okey.
pang-apat,
Pang-apat mo is,
act of service. Tapos last ko yung
oh,
receiving ng gift, ay yung gift giving.
okey.
Tapos,
Gift giving,
gift
receiving.
giving yung pinaka-list ko na sa receiving ha.
Okay. So, ano
Receiving.
yung ano
Sa giving ko
mhm,
naman, sa giving ko, mas ano ko, act of service kapag kapag love kita, kahit ano gagawin
hmm,
ko talaga para sa'yo. Like kunyari
oh,
dadalaw ka sa bahay, lulutuan kita. Hindi mo kailangan magsabi. Kapag kunyari love kita as a friend ko, kapag kunyari may pinasuyo ka sa akin na, "Je, puwede mo bang gawin 'to? Kailangan kita dito." Ay, nandun ako, gagawin ko 'yan for you. Agad-agad, hindi
ay,
ka maghe-hesitate. Hmm?
oo, instant ganyan 'no? Pansin ko
Mm.
nga din, oo,
Bas
super.
parang yun yung way ko na ipakita talaga sa tao na love kita. Okay lang, gawin natin yan together, ganyan. Gawin ko yan for you. Ganyan, act of service. And
Oo.
then, gift giving. Ganun, second ko
Hmm,
yun. Tapos, ano siguro? Words of affirmation.
pangatlo mo,
Pangatlo. And then, ano? Ano ba? Physical touch. And then,
hmm.
ano ba yung quality time? Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Sa
May
giving
mga
ko.
iba-iba talaga siya. Hindi siya necessary kapag last mo siya sa giving mo,
Hindi
magiging
naman.
priority kasi gano'n necessary
Mm.
talaga 'no?
Last ko
Oh,
yung
so
quality time kasi I feel like I feel like lahat kasi ng tao sa paligid ko, busy sila. So parang
hmm,
ayokong ano yun, ayokong manggulo. May
hmm,
gano'n naman akong mindset na ayokong manggulo. So, baka kasi 'pag nagbigay ako ng quality time, ganyan, kailangan merong consent nung friend or nung kung sino man. Medyo medyo ano ko, eh, dahil ngayon siguro yung number one ko pagdating sa receiving, when it comes to me giving it, kailangan may consent. Yung
yan.
parang kailangan sure ako na gusto niya rin. Pero 'pag kunyari yung friend ko, nag-ask to
Oo,
ask me out, ganyan, labas tayo or kahit sinong someone na ano, andiyan din ako agad. Pero I just wanna know
kasi
na free sila.
safe. Oo, kasi pansin ko talaga sa'yo yan yung ginagawa mo like, "Free ka ba ganito?"
Oo.
Ganyan-ganyan.
'Di ba 'pag kunyari
Chat ka talaga
magme-message ako sa'yo, sabihin ko, "Jai," gano'n muna. Kasi gusto ko munang
oo,
alamin kung free ka, yung gano'n. Kung matagal ka maka-reply, alam ko na medyo busy ka, gano'n. Bago ko sabihin yung
parang
intention ko, gano'n.
parang temp check mo.
Oo, che-check ko muna, ganyan.
Uy, di din kaya nga siguro ganyan kasi di din kasi yun yung top 1 ko 'di ba, yung quality time nasa middle lang siya.
Mm.
So, di mo talaga masyadong makita sa'kin sa conversation na, "Free ka ba?" Ganyan, ganyan, ganyan. Hindi ako nag-i-initiate ng question na gano'n basta boom, ganun na sabihin ko lang. It makes sense 'no?
Mm.
It really makes sense. Similar lang din how sensitive I am sa touch.
Yeah. Alam mo, kanina, when you were discussing your love languages, you mentioned about where the money goes is where the love. Ano yun?
Yes.
Can you repeat that? Na, mali eh.
Where money that's where love is.
Where money goes, there, there,
That's what
that's where love is. Where money goes, that's where love is. Yeah. So, when you mentioned about that, napaisip lang ako, umabot ba sa time ng life mo that there's someone who asked, what are your love languages? And you felt like nagamit yun against you.
hmm.
Ah,
So
wala.
far wala.
Ang perfect mo naman.
Yes,
Wala.
nobody asked directly
Ah,
sa'kin. Oh,
really?
bakit?
Like,
Oh,
very seldom na matanong ka about your love languages.
yes.
Hmm.
Kasi hindi ko na rin or wala kasi siya hindi siya tumatak sa utak ko, eh. Parang wala talaga.
Hmm. Okay.
Kasi this is the first time I'm seeing my love language like dito.
Oh.
Ah,
Yeah, probably
eh,
because you're more on siguro ako yung klase ng tao na mas ano ka kasi, parang mas meron ka lang bubble. Nung meron kasi akong era, 'di ba, na nag-explore ako, so I met a lot of people. Probably ikaw kasi, yung circle mo, sila-sila lang din and bibihira lang din yung nakakapasok. Parang ganun.
Hmm.
Uma
Probably if I have that conversation, maybe I was the one initiating it.
hmm.
Pero hindi talaga na tumatak. Pero if meron man, maybe I was the one who's initiating it.
Oh,
Kasi
really?
majority of the, yeah, that's why I always mention na I always be the one who's gonna be the misunderstood ako. Kasi nga 'di ba, nobody knows physical touch is my top
Mm.
one.
Mm.
Because all they know is I don't want to be touched. Like
Mm.
hindi unless if you're the person who's experiencing it like in firsthand.
Mm.
Kasi din mo lahat eh. Para sa akin, nabibilang lang yung mga tao na bibigyan ko ng ganun. So
Mm.
which means that's how guarded I am.
Yeah, true.
Yeah, kasi minsan I have a tendency kasi sobrang reserved ko. Hindi naman as a Virgo. Yes, as a Virgo. Hindi lang talaga Virgo as a sign, but as a moon. Kasi di ba yung moon sign natin yan yung child or childhood natin. Yan yung inner child natin. And that's still a Virgo sa akin.
Mm.
So, sobrang reserved ko talaga. And then, that's why kapag may mag-asa akin, I always say na para kung ano, yung parang yung ano nga yung prutas na matigas sa labas pero malambot sa loob.
Langka.
Man, hindi, yung parang purple, ano ang tawag
Ah!
doon?
Mangustin?
Mangustin kasi,
Favorite ko yun,
di
day.
ba,
Ay, nag-crave tuloy ako.
oo yun, sobrang tigas niya, di ba? Tapos
Yeah.
ang effort
Actually,
to be able,
hindi naman, day. Actually, kaya siya matigas kasi hindi na siya fresh. Pero pag
ah,
fresh siya, malambot siya. Saktong lambot na pwede mo siyang iganon. Tapos bubuka na siya.
doon ako, doon ako sa hindi fresh. Kasi kailangan mo ng effort, guys,
Nakakainis.
totoo.
Kung sino man ang nagbebenta ng mangustin kalanika na hindi fresh, bakit naman? Paki-explain. Natawa
Dapat
ako
kinakain
doon.
ko po, kailangan mo ng effort, kaya yun ang naiisip ko.
Yung
Oo,
concept niya tuloy ng mangustin.
matigas.
Kaya, so if you're a fruit, para kang mangustin. No, hindi na
Oo.
fresh. Tawa ako, sorry. Pisty, okay, game. Sorry.
Maring ano ba, na may mga ganun pala. Eh di
Mm-mm.
yung nung fried ko ever since, hindi talaga fresh.
Hindi ko kaya. Favorite ko kasi
Um,
yan. Ano mo dati, ganyan din
ah,
yung ano ko, yung mindset ko pagdating sa mangustin. Kasi yung parents ko, bibili sila ng mangustin kapag yung mura na, yung sale na siya, yung ganon. Yung palubog na yung araw, bibenta sa palengke kasi paano na siya, hindi na siya fresh. Pero nung nagkatrabaho ako, dahil favorite ko yung mangosteen, bumibili ako kahit mahal. Tapos na-realize ko, kapag mahal, malambot pa siya, kayang-kayang ganun. Yun pala kasi, fresh siya, mas juicier din siya.
ah, tingnan mo, 30 years old ako, di ako alam may ganun pala.
Dai, alam ko na, sa birthday mo papadalan kita talaga na fresh na mangosteen.
Ano, pati mag misunderstood ko. Tama talaga, ganun talaga siguro ako. Di ba? Hindi ko talaga alam.
Okay, game. Yeah, you're like a mangosteen.
Oo, di ba? O yun, so, kailangan mo talaga i-effort para mabuksan kainin. Pag
Mm-mm.
makain mo, di ba, ang sarap, malambot, may lambot na sa loob. So, ganun
Mm-mm.
din ako eh. Kasi sabi nila, di ba, ang Virgo, para di siya water sign kasi mutable. Totoo kasi very sensitive talaga ang Virgo sa lahat-lahat ng
Hello?
mga earth signs.
Ika?
Hello? Hello?
Hindi kita marinig.
Ay, nawala.
Hold. Oh, hinawala. Mag-end up na rin naman. Balik tayo. Create ako bago.
Ayun.
Ayun, okey na. Tawang-tawa ako dun. Ah. Okey, continue.
Hindi ko ina-expect din yun.
Hindi ko rin
Baliw talaga.
tawang-tawa talaga ako. Okey, saan na nga tayo?
Para
Dun na sa nag-share ka na dun sa
sa ano, sige, as a Virgo na sa
yeah,
dun sa moon sign.
mm.
Oo. Kasi ano, kasi sa'kin, I'm always like totally Virgo kasi ako moon and sun. And kasi so yung moon sign natin yan yung inner child natin. That's why I'm very reserved.
Dai,
So,
i-discuss mo naman sa kanila a little bit kung ano yung moon sign, sun sign, yung mga ganyan. Kasi baka yung mga viewers natin are not yet aware about it. Kasi guys, for you to know lang, si Nika yung nag-introduce sa akin ng in-depth, mas malalim na pag-unawa, understanding when it comes to zodiac science, astrology. Yeah.
yes. So, eto yun siya, kasi we all wait yung ano guys, most likely kasi alam natin is yung sun sign lang natin. Ano yung, let's say, for example, I was born in September 22, so you are a Virgo, di ba? Oh, pag March sa'yo, okay, depende kung saan ka na early March or late March. Pag late March, okay, you're an Aries. Pag early March, you're a Pisces.
Mm.
Tama ba? A
Yeah.
Pisces. So,
Mm.
oo, gano'n siya. So, yun lang yung alam natin. But there's more deeper to it kasi may birth chart. So, hindi mo ma-judge yung tao based lang sa sun sign. Kasi for me now, I'm not particular into the sun sign, but I'm more particular knowing the person's moon sign. Bakit? Kasi, ang sun sign is what you see yourself. Ano yung nakikita mo sa sarili mo. That's why you're claiming this is me, ganun, ganun. Kasi yung nakikita mo sa sarili mo. While yung moon sign, that's what I know, yung moon sign, that's the true self. Yan yung inner child mo. Na ang nakakaalam lang is yung friends and family or yung close mo, yung secret
Mm.
self mo. That's yung moon sign, that's your inner child. Na nakatago siya and nobody could be able to see that real you na walang mask. Only the people who's closer to you. That's why I'm more
Tama.
particular sa moon sign. Ayun. And then, yung rising sign, that's what other people publicly saw sa'yo.
Yeah,
That's why,
that's your
kasi rising
aura.
ko is, yes, that's why Aries ako. They more think of me as intimidating, very intense na kasi Aries yung sign yung rising ko eh. So napilan ano siya, impulsive siya, ganyan siya, ganyan yung interpretation sa akin kasi I was an Aries. Na kapag makita ko, ay, intimidating masyado kasi sobrang parang ang aura is
Fiery.
fire. Yes. Feisty, parang ganun.
Mm.
Oo. Going inside is I'm a Virgo.
Yeah.
Yung moon sign
Mhm.
ko na very soft din, reserved, na para din siyang crab na nakatago, yung parang gano'n. So yan, that's the difference ng sun, rising, and then yung moon.
Mas
Kaya nakikita
malawak
niyo sa
pa siya actually.
yes, yes. Kaya minsan nasasabi nila na,
Mhm.
'di ba hindi compatible yung mga ganito at ganyan? Pero ano 'di ba, may nagkakatugma. Di nila alam because of
Mhm.
the moon sign. Ang moon sign talaga ang mas ang nagma-match kasi nga it's more into the emotions. Ako love na love ko talaga si love na love ko si Taylor Swift kasi moon sign niya is Cancer. So nafi-feel ko yung emotions niya kasi I'm a
Mhm.
Virgo.
Mhm.
Totally, yung Virgo at saka ano siya, okay siya. 'Di ba? And then sometimes yung sun sign at yung moon sign ng partners mo, if magkatugma, it's perfect.
Mhm.
Kasi may pagkakaintindihan. So, it's just different, hindi naman ako astrologist para yun lang yung mga interpretation ko. And based off mga naaano ko na parang kasi pag yung sun sign hindi siya compatible, ay baka yung moon sign namin or yung
Yeah.
rising sign niya
Or baka
nag-aano
yung
sa akin.
Venus natin or yung Mars natin. Yeah, kasi ang dami
That
talaga. Sa chart ng isang tao, puwedeng nasa kanya na lahat ng zodiac signs.
that's true. That's true. And then yung sinasabi mong Venus at saka yung Mars dahil
Yeah.
'pag alam mo yan, yung alam mo naman yung mga diyan yung actions, yung
Yeah.
intensity, yung alam mo na.
Tama ba ang Venus, correct me if I'm wrong, Venus is how you love,
Hmm, yung aura mo,
how you
yeah,
show love, how you like how you attract people, something like that. It's about beauty and
yes,
sexuality.
correct. That's why
Yeah.
ang Mars is yung ano ka, 'di ba, sabi
Yeah,
nila,
yung actions
eh,
mo, how you fight. Yes.
yung sexual, how you act,
Mm.
especially yung sa public and everything.
Mm.
Yeah, kaya kapag babae, usually kapag yung lalaki alam diyan, they need to check the Venus and the Mars of the woman that they are into or vice versa. Diyan mo malalaman ano sila. Diyan yung feisty na parang climax ng birth chart ng lahat ng tao.
Yeah.
Climax siya eh. For me, parang siyang, alam mo, nalaman ko yung sa akin, sabi ko, oh my God, it makes sense.
Ako din, dati ano, hindi ko naiintindihan yung sarili ko na ayos ako eh, pero bakit ganito? Bakit masyado kong ganito, ganyan, ganon, ganon? Kasi, yun pala kasi, ang dami kong water sign sa chart ko. Yeah, ang dami kong water sign. Ano ko eh, Aries ako, pero ang dami ko rin Pisces. Ang dami
Mm.
kong Pisces. Tapos, alam mo, the more na inaral ko siya, since na-introduce mo siya with me, I've learned that, bakit yung mga ibang sign na I thought compatible with Aries, kasi Aries yung zodiac sign ko, why, whenever I date them, it just didn't fit. Yung ganun. Kasi nga,
Oo.
mas may malalim pa. And then, I met my partner now. Nakakatuwa kasi Aries, alam ko na compatible siya sa Gemini, sa Leo, sa Sagittarius, sa fiery din or air. Ganon.
Yes.
And tong partner ko, ang ang kanyang moon ay Gemini. Tapos,
Oh.
yung Venus ko kasi Taurus. Tapos, ang kanyang talagang sun sign is Scorpio. So, kind of, alam mo yun, may mga connections, kaya parang kind of compatible siya. Basta mas malalim. May mas malalim.
Na sexy sa Venus sign ng woman, Taurus.
Hmm?
Napasok ka dun sa sinasabi nilang part ng, if meron kang ganun sa chart mo sa Venus, it's one of the part na sexy siya for a woman. Kasi sinasabi nila, when a Venus is in Aries, Taurus, Pisces, or Libra, part siya na parang seductive or skilled ka talaga as a
Brr.
lover. Ganyan siya. So, when sabi mo na ano ka, Taurus ka, well, part ka dun. Pero siya, sa woman siya ha.
Mm-mm.
Ganun.
Yeah.
Kaya ako, Libra naman ako eh.
Mm-mm.
Which is grabe siya kasi, ano din, nasa house niya talaga,
Mm.
sa Venus si Libra. So, ganun. So, it makes
Yeah.
sense.
So,
Di ba? Napunta tayo.
napunta na tayo dun, 'di ba? Pero what I'm trying to say earlier, balik natin ulit yung topic. Kasi I've noticed, like, si Nika kasi, she's very reserved. And I had this era of mine after I broke up with my ex, na I started exploring. For the very first time, I started dating. Kasi before, I never dated anyone. Like, I swear to God, nung nag-aaral ako, I never dated anyone. I swear. Yung ex ko, naging boyfriend ko lang siya noon because he was my friend. We never dated before. So, nung after ko makipaghiwalay sa kanya, dun kumilala si girl ng kumilala. And then, iba na. Dating nowadays, ngayong era na to, iba na kasi yung mga lalaki, they will ask you, like, believe me, they will ask you, what's your love language?
Oh,
Promise, they
really?
will ask you. And then, kunyari, I don't know kasi if you have tried dating apps talaga. Pero, I tried kasi yung Bumble, ganyan. So, sa Bumble, ilalagay pa talaga nila kung ano yung zodiac signs. Tapos may mga ibang
Mm.
lalaki na sobrang inaral na rin nila talaga yon kasi alam mo naman maraming women na more into astrology. So yung mga alam na yung galawan, aware na sila. So mismong sa bio nila, sinasabi nila na like for example, I'm a spontaneous Sagittarius who's looking to find my fiery Aries. Parang ganun. May mga gano'n,
Ito. Oh,
believe me. Oo. So, when I was still new to, to bagong dating era, wala, sobrang naive ko. So, magkukwento ako na, ganito, ganyan, yung love language ko. There was this guy na I feel like na-take advantage yung love languages ko. Kasi, alam mo yung best foot forward, ito nga yung sinasabi ng iba na pag nagtanong ito kasi yung parang noon na pag tanong ka ng lalaki, anong tipo mo sa lalaki? Ganon kasi yun eh. Ngayon, ano yung love languages mo? Believe me, yun na yun. So, no,
oh,
oo. So, nung time na hmm?
yun talaga. Parang ini-study ka talaga para ma-make sure,
Mm.
yun yung attack.
Yeah. So, nung time na nakikipag-date ako, that guy asked me, "What's your love languages?" So, sinabi ko. Kasi nga, bago lang ako, hindi ko naman alam yung galawan eh. Like, I'm just here for genuine connection. Wala, I don't wanna play games. Wala akong pakialam dyan. Pero hindi eh. Take advantage ako. Kasi sinabi kong quality time. So, si kuya mo, bigay din ng time. Bigay din ng words of affirmation. And then later on, mare-realize mo kasi kaya nga dapat as as much as possible patagalin yung getting to know. Like, mas gusto ko pa rin
Yes.
talaga yung slow burn eh, kaysa yung instant noodles. Yeah.
First, burn talaga ako.
Mm. Mas okay talaga eh, yung slow burn. Pero yung saktong pace
Pero
lang ha.
pabilisan, hindi pa rin eh. Kasi I'm more into, okay, you get to know me. Ito yun siya, Daya. Okay, even if nakuha mo yung attention ko, it's between, percentage to percentage. The more we get to know more, like, tumatagal, mas lumalalim mo ako nakikilala. Kasi kasi nga reserve ako.
Yeah.
And I know I control. I'm very highly self-aware na talaga.
Mm.
So, yung mga nilalabas ko, I have the control of
Mm.
how much you get to know me whenever where we are.
Mm.
So, hindi ko ilalabas lahat
Yeah.
unless kung you know how to read me. Pero, hindi pa talaga lahat. That's why if you've experienced me, you haven't really thoroughly get the 100% na talaga agad-agad. That's why kapag yung mga long term sa akin, mas lumalalim siya na lumalalim. Apart from medyo may mga conflict, yes, but they didn't know the longer run, mas lumalalim ng lumalalim. Kasi palalim ng palalim din yung attack ko,
Mm.
unintentionally.
Yeah,
Ganun
kasi
siya,
mas
hindi
doon
siya
ka lang mag-open up the more time goes
yeah,
by.
that's right, oo. Natural siya, hindi siya manipulation kasi minamanipulate ko yung
Yeah.
natural talaga. Kasi sabi ko, I don't fake connections. If instant mo na mas mabilis mo nalaman compared sa others because maybe you engage more or mas naging deeper yung ating alam mo yun. Hindi siya instant sa akin eh. Kaya siguro yung sinasabi mo, hindi siya yung mga multi-cross dating,
Mhm.
chu hindi siya mag-work sa akin unless a
Mhm.
person is willing to really get to know me in the first
Yeah.
place. Like, yung ganun,
Mhm.
oo. Kaya hindi siya work sa akin eh. Kasi
Yeah,
maboboard sila sa akin dahil
true.
maboboard sila.
Kailangan
Gano'n.
mag-invest talaga sila ng time, effort, gano'n. That's true. Tsaka
That's true.
time is really a good test sa lahat. Kahit anong kind of relationship, if it's genuine or not. Kasi I don't believe na, oo, lahat naman tayo eh, kahit kunyari bago tayo sa trabaho, 'di ba laging best foot forward? So,
Oo,
pumapasok din 'yun pagdating sa dating, laging best foot forward. Pero naniniwala ako na patagalin mo 'yan, 1 buwan, 2 buwan, 3 buwan, lalabas at lalabas kung sino talaga siya.
correct.
Hindi mo kayang
Yes.
panindigan, parang I don't think someone can really fake consistently, 'di
Mm,
ba? Meron
that's true. Kasi
meron talagang
sa
it will
dating,
slip.
oo, sa dating naman, very nice lahat ng tao. Pero
Yeah,
nasa
best
loob
foot
yung dragon.
forward. Yeah.
Oo, sobra. So, kaya sa akin, mas gusto ko may ano eh, hindi ako, kaya unang kilala mo pa lang sa akin, pinapalabas ko na lahat. Yung mga bad sides. Nasa iyo kung you
That's
can
very
handle it. If
Aries
not,
of
then,
you. That's very
oh,
Aries
di
of
ba?
you. Oo.
Oh, ganun ka. That's why, yun talaga sa akin, like, no filter. Oh, hindi ko kailangan mag-please. Kung ganun
Yeah.
gusto mo para gawin, work sa akin, no, it won't work for me.
That's very
Ganun.
Aries
Kasi,
of you.
gusto
Aries
para
people,
mag-please mo yung
they want to intimidate people kasi you know from the very beginning na you're not that easy to love, and you know that
yes,
when you love hard. That's why
yes.
talagang tinetest mo yung mga people that you will allow in your life.
Yes. And ang isa pa din, Day, hindi ako takot masabihan na intimidate
Mhm.
ako. Na-intimidate sila sa akin. Kasi that's one way na filter ko yung mga tao na who could be able to really go deeper.
Mhm. Yeah, that's true.
Diba?
That you better come on, you want it.